Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to clear your file Explorer recent files history in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to clear your file Explorer recent file history in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. First you click on this PC. After click on file, click on change folder and search option, and here option clear file Explorer history. So click on clear. After click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to clear your file Explorer recent file history in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So very simple and quickly method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.